You just see this is the definite integral sum. I'm going to evaluate. This sum is very important for any examination, ICC, CBSE, Bengal board, any regional board, and it is very important for engineering entrance examination also. You just see, okay? The sum is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Okay, that is equal to, it is required to prove that minus pi by 2 log 2. You just see here how I am evaluating this integral. Okay, you just see the suppose this I is equal to, I am taking, suppose this I is equal to first part I am taking here. I is equal to first part I am taking here. Therefore, I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Okay, so that is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin pi by 2 minus x second bracket close dx. Okay, that is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Okay, this becomes actually I, this becomes actually I, this is also I. If I will add this I together, then this will be here 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 actually log sin x plus log cos x. I can write it directly, log sin x plus log cos x. Okay, so I can write in this way also because the limits are same, so I can write directly in this way, log sin x plus log cos x, because the limits are same, so we can write in this way. Okay, so this will be here as dx. Okay, you just see here what will be a 0 to pi by 2 log sin x cos x. You know, actually little bit I am making it big, multiplying numerator and denominator with 2, that 2 and that 2, and that is dx. Okay, so that is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus log a minus log b. 2 I can write here 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Okay, is that clear? I can write here 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Okay, so actually this 2I is going on, this 2I is going on, and you just see I'm just making here border to separate this steps here. So what I will do here, I can write I can write here to write here one step more here. I am using this space here for writing the steps here. That is equal to, if this part I will take I1, this part is I am taking I1, and this part is 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Okay, and from actually from a star will continue from a star. You just take care of the symbol to connection of the steps from one steps to another steps, previous steps to next step. Okay, and this will be as this is I1, and I1 is equal to, I am writing from here to cover more space. Okay, to get more space, so I1 is equal to I am writing here 0 to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sine 2x, sine 2x dx. Okay, so if I will take 2x is equal to t, now put here it is used to, here I am using, put t is equal to 2x, so this will be here dt is equal to dt by dx is equal to 2, so dt by 2 is equal to dx. Clear? And next what I will do here, I can utilize here limit also. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. Okay, where now x is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to pi, t is equal to 2 into pi by 2. Actually t is equal to here t, what will be t here, t is equal to 2 into pi by 2. Here I am putting here. Okay, you just see, so just 2 has been cancelled out, so x is equal to pi by 2 and t is equal to pi, t x is equal to pi by 2, then t is equal to pi I am getting. Okay, x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 0. So lower limit will be here, I1 is equal to, you just see here, what will be a 0 to pi actually. This is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. Okay, so fine, x is equal to pi by 2 use here. Okay, so 0 to pi, and that part will be here, what, log this 1 by 2 I am taking out of the integral. Okay, this is log, and sine 2x, actually sine 2x is t and this is dt. 1 by 2 has been taken out of the integral. 1 by 2 I have taken out of the integral. I am just little bit drawing a straight line to make the separate the steps. Okay, so this becomes here. Okay, so what I will do here, I can write here this part as 1 by 2, this part as 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is here, and this part I can write 0 to pi log sin x dx. Okay, log sin x dx. Why I have written here? Because I know I am just little bit making you explain here. Here you just see here, actually sin pi minus x, is equal to sin x. Why it happens so? Sin pi minus x is equal to sin x. If any angle is, actually this is associated angle concept, if any angle is added to, this is pi actually, if any angle is added to or subtracted from even multiple of 90 degree, then there is no any change in the trigonometrical form, and however plus minus sign will be governed by the quadrant rule. Okay, according to that concept I have done so far. So you will take care of this. I am just actually ellipsing this part. Okay, I have just ellipsing this part to take this part very seriously. Otherwise, you will face the problem. So that part, that is why I have written here directly here, and that part is equal to what? I can write after these steps. I am coming here, and 1 by 2, and this is here. This is actually 2, and that this is 0 to pi by 2. When I will multiply with 2, here upper limit is divided by the 2, and that is equal to log sin x dx. Okay, so 2 has been cancelled out. So I1, this part I am getting here, I1 is equal to directly I can write here I, because log sin x dx I have taken I, log sin x dx I have taken I. That is why I can write it directly as I. Clear? So I1 is equal to I got. I'm just keeping it in box. Okay. So what I will have, the actually 2I is equal to, here I am doing, because the space is left here, actually 2I is equal to I1 is equal to I, and this will be here minus log 2. I am doing directly, I am evaluating directly here, log 2, and this is x. Clear? And that is 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So when I will bring this I here left hand side, then 2I minus I is equal to I, and that is minus, that will be pi by 2 minus 0. One step I am showing you. That will be pi by 2, pi by 2 minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit. So that will be I is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2, minus pi by 2 log 2. Clear? So I got it. 0 to pi by 2 is 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Log sin x dx is equal to, this is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. Okay. So this is the final answer. I am writing answer. I am getting here 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. Okay, minus pi by 2 log 2. Okay, that is the final answer. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. In a similar way, you can evaluate this integral also, this definite integral also, but you have the same answer, minus pi by 2 log 2. Okay, that's all of this sum. Fine.